Hello po sa ating lahat. Bilang Pilipino, natitrigger ako dito sa sinasabi nitong Chinese officials na ito. So, pakinggan natin.
which it calls 望岩岛。
望岩岛是中国的固有领土，菲方的所谓行动，纯属是自娱自乐的闹剧。中方将继续坚定维护黄岩岛的领土主权和海洋权益。
On September 25, Wang admitted that China installed a floating barrier in Scarborough Shoal after a Philippine vessel, quote, intruded and attempted to enter the shoal's lagoon. China's claim over most of the South China Sea, including the West Philippine Sea, remains baseless, as it was definitively debunked by the Permanent Court of Arbitration in a historic ruling in 2016. The Department of Foreign Affairs has yet to respond to China's recent statement, but it earlier expressed commitment to protecting the country's sovereignty against China's repeated incursions in the West Philippine Sea.
From the latest gadgets to the trendiest fashion, from fresh groceries to your favorite skincare, from food coupons to your baby essentials, get everything you need on.
Okay, so yan yung sinasabi nilang itong Chinese officials na ito. Ang sinasabi niya ay tayo ang nag-intrude doon sa area na yan. Tayo yung value squatters, ano? Ngunit kung maliwanag na maliwanag, parang hindi ito naiintindihan ng mga Pilipino na maka-China at yung mga Chinese. Okay, ganito yung aking pananaw, ano? Yung Scarborough Shore ay within the territory at saka jurisdiction ng Pilipinas. Why? Kasi ang layo niyan sa ating coastline is just 120 nautical miles. Okay? Samantalang sinasabi ng international law na yung mga coastline hanggang 200 nautical miles ay pag-aari noong bansa na may-ari noong coastline, ano? So, maliwanag na maliwanag, it is within our territory. It is within our sovereignty. It is within our ownership. Kaya, yung sinasabi ng mga Chino na tayo ang nag-i-intrude doon sa area na yan, yan ay mali. Okay. Tayong mga Pilipino sana, yun na lang ang i-accept natin na 200 nautical miles ang layo sa ating coastline. Sana magkaisa na tayo na yun ay pag-aari natin. Kung yun nga, 120 miles lang, sinusuporta natin mga Chino, nasaan yung nationalism natin? Nasaan yung patriotism? Nasaan yung love of country, ano? Are we for the interest of the country? O kaya kayo ay ang sinusuportahan ninyo ay yung interest ng China? Di ba? Katraidoran yan. Kung ikaw ay Pilipino, then we have to support kung ano yung sinasabi ng ating government. Okay. Tayo ay anti-BBM. But at this point in time, then ang kakuanan natin ay China. I am behind the president. I am behind the Philippine government. Okay, so that's it. Sana i-like at saka subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Mabuhay tayong lahat.